Good afternoon guys. Today I'm back with another interesting gadget to unbox. This is the Cogtech CP6 power charger with a retractable cable. Model number is AD653W. I bought it from Taobao China for only $25, which is quite impressive considering it's a 67-watt GAN charger with a built-in cable. It's come in two color, white and black, but I go for the black version, which look very clean and minimal. What makes this charger special is that it's combined charger and cable into one compact device, so you don't need to carry extra cable when traveling. So let's take a look at the box and see what inside. So as always, from Cogtech, the black scheme. Okay, so let's go. Here the model number is AD653W. Okay, so okay, some paper stuff, and that's all. Here is the charger itself. Okay, here's the charger. Here is all the specification. Here it say CP6 67-watt gun. Okay, there is some design of the okay, here is the retractable cable, flat. Okay, and also a little bit of a magnetic feature there. Okay, and another type C and another USB type A, and here is the Cogtech logo. Okay, so inside the box we get the Cogtech CP6 charger, and everything is already integrated. This charger feature a 2C 1A port configuration, meaning you got a 2 USB-C port and 1 USB-A port. This allows you to charge up to 3 devices at the same time using just one charger. I provide you the output power output on the screen, so you can pause if you wish to read it. This is the most interesting feature of this charger is the retractable USB-C cable. This design make your life a lot easier when traveling because you don't have to carry a separate cable anymore. Everything is all in one. The cable itself is a flat retractable cable with a length of 0.7 meter, which is long enough for most situations such as charging at your desk, charging in airport, charging in hotel. The charger is also very compact thanks to a GaN, the gallium nitride technology. It weighs around 163 grams and measure around 51 centimeters square. So it's very easy to carry in the bag or even in the pocket. In terms of performance, the charger offers up to a 67-watt maximum output, especially when using the USB-C retractable cable. So you can easily charge devices like smartphone, tablet, power bank, or even laptops like MacBook Air or Surface device. When using multiple ports at the same time, this charger intelligently distribute power between devices. Cogtech also include their self-developed ADC adaptive fast charging technology. The charger support many fast charging protocol, including a power delivery, PPS from Samsung, a quick charge, FCP or SCP from Huawei. So it works with a wide range of devices such as iPhone, Samsung, Xiaomi, Huawei, tablet or laptop. Okay, and the retractable cable also been tested for 10,000 bending cycle, which ensure good durability over time. For safety, the charger also monitor its internal temperature 10 times per second. So it's protect your device from accidental overheating. Okay. So now let's test this charger with some of my device. I'll try charging my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and my Anker power bank, and we'll see how well this 67-watt charger perform. So, and here is my wall adapter. Okay, I try to find a cable that show the wattage. Okay, I think this is the one. So let's test it. Okay, I reverse it, sorry. So it's charged maximum to my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, which is around 20 to 25 watt. Okay, let's test my Anker power bank, which should charge around at least 50 high to 60. Okay, so as expected, full speed. Okay, so overall, for just $25, this charger is actually very impressive for me. You get a 67 watt max fast charging, a built-in retractable USB-C cable. You got 3 charging port. It's a compact GAN design. It's small, okay, and it has a wide compatibility. Okay, so if you want a compact travel charger with fewer cable to carry, this could be one of the best option. So that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this unboxing, feel free to leave a comment below if you have any question or thought about this charger. And if you want to see more tech unboxing and gadget review, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you all in the next video. Bye bye.